ang sikreto ng pera na hindi mo alam. And hindi din ito na ituro sa school. Kaya that's why majority of us, kahit graduates na tayo and we have great careers, ay nahihirapan pa rin tayo financially. Kailangan kasi talaga nating matuto paano mag-budget and paano mag-invest. Simple budgeting na mag-iipon ka lang ng small portion ng income mo and yung ipon mo should be invested for at least 5 years. Once you develop this kind of discipline, sooner or later ay mai-experience mo na your money is making more money for you kahit wala ka nang ginagawa. Kaya kapatid, start saving and start investing because that is how to save the right way. I will see you on my next video.